Hey guys, welcome back to Insomnia Pasta. Today we're going to be doing some spinach malloreddus. Malloreddus hail from Sardinia, which is an island off the coast of Italy. They're also known as gnocchetti sardi, and you'll see why in a second because we actually use a gnocchi board to shape the pasta. To make the malloreddus, we need to get our pasta formed into a long rope. And to get the rope, you just roll it out on the table using even pressure across the whole of your hand, using your whole hand to spread it out, not just your fingers or your palm. And then lightly spread your hands across with even pressure. I'm going to take the rope and then use my bench scraper to cut it into about 1/2 inch size pieces. I'm then going to take each one of those pieces and roll it off the gnocchi board. And I just am using my thumb and using even pressure and then rolling my thumb downwards to impart that texture on there. And then using my forefinger to just kick it off the board. Now I'm going to start to prepare the vegetables to accompany the malloreddus. This first clip is me just getting the garnish of the egg ready, and we're just going to cook it sunny side up. Now I'm going to take a pan and add a lot of extra virgin oil to there, along with 1/2 shallot and some baby carrots, colored baby carrots, just cut in half, and some baby potatoes. We're going to saute these over medium-high heat until the potatoes and the carrots are a little more tender. Once the potatoes and the carrots are tender, we can add our grape tomatoes or cherry tomatoes and some green olives. The beauty of this dish is that everything in it is basically the same size, so when you grab a bite, everything is really even. Now I'm just removing everything from the pan to make room for our Malloreddus, which have been cooking for about a minute in some salted water and have completed their cooking process when they start to float at the top. Alright, so there you have it. Some spinach Malloreddus with some baby vegetables, and just going to garnish with some really good Parmesan. And then I've taken the eggs that we cooked earlier and just cut them using a mold, because really we're after the yolk. And some toasted almonds and some basil, and finish with a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and there you have it.